Imagine you're trying to pay for a meal, but you've forgotten your wallet. Or maybe you're shopping online and want to avoid the hassle of entering your card details every time. What if there was a simpler, more convenient way to pay? Today, we're diving into the world of FavePay, a digital payment app that's revolutionizing the way we transact. Benefit 1: Convenience and accessibility. FavePay is like having your wallet in your pocket, always accessible. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can pay for anything, from groceries to your favorite restaurant meal. No more fumbling for cash or cards. Plus, FavePay is compatible with most smartphones, so you can use it wherever you go. Benefit 2: Security and protection. One of the biggest concerns when using digital payments is security. FavePay takes this seriously with advanced security features to protect your personal and financial information. Your transactions are encrypted, ensuring that your data remains safe and secure. Additionally, FavePay offers features like fingerprint or facial recognition authentication, adding an extra layer of protection to your payments. Benefit 3: Rewards and offers. Who doesn't love a good deal? FavePay offers a variety of rewards and offers that can save you money. From cashback on purchases to exclusive discounts at partner merchants, there's always something to look forward to. Plus, FavePay often has special promotions and giveaways, so you can enjoy even more benefits. Benefit 4: Easy money transfers. Need to send money to a friend or family member? FavePay makes it easy. You can transfer funds instantly, and the recipient can access the money immediately. It's a convenient and hassle-free way to send and receive money. FavePay also supports international money transfers, so you can connect with loved ones across the globe. Benefit 5: Seamless integration. FavePay seamlessly integrates with your favorite apps and services. You can link your FavePay account to your favorite food delivery apps, ride-hailing services, and more. This means you can pay for your purchases directly from the app, without having to switch back and forth. So, if you're looking for a convenient, secure, and rewarding way to pay, FavePay is the answer. With its wide range of benefits, it's no wonder why so many people are choosing FavePay as their go-to payment app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.